Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do a stamping manicure. I haven't done one of these in a while and I decided to pull in the stamping plates from Twinkled Tea. So we're going to be using the Marble T01 plate here. I'm also going to be using the Summer plate TT01. Sorry guys, I hope that focuses there. I want to use this image right here. I'm going to be doing kind of like a sunrise manicure. So for that reason, I have pulled in 3 nail polishes here from 90 Lacquer. So I'm going to be ombreing this. I have the Firefly color, which is like a beautiful neon yellow. I have Humidity here, and then I also have Flamingo Mamingo, which is this beautiful bright pink. The 2 stamping polishes I'm going to be using are from Twinkled Tea, just a white and a black here from Twinkled Tea. And the tools I'm going to be using to stamp are going to be playing around with this stamper, with the clear jelly stamper that I recently picked up in the haul. It has like a glitter head, is a little bit on the sticky side, and we should be able to see directly down the barrel there. And then it did come with a scraper, so I'm going to go ahead and use the scraper for it. And then I'm going to use like a Cosmetic Sponge to do the ombre effects there. So I hope you guys enjoy this manicure. I'm probably going to do either a voiceover or have some music running in the background. So I hope you guys enjoy watching me try to create this manicure. I haven't done a stamping manicure in quite a bit, so enjoy.